Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Myself Alamin Khan and welcome to my another blog. We are at Shahjalal International Airport. We are in Terminal 1. I have my roommate Masum and Nisar with me. We travel a lot at the airport. We look very good. I took many pictures. Then spent time at the railway station. Many joked that there were the most beautiful place to visit. You can also come. We are enjoy this time. Our railway minister, advocate Nurul Islam Sojon, বিশেষ কথা